The BodyTrac glider from Stamina Products makes rowing a comfortable, convenient activity for building strength, toning, and improving endurance at home. The unique natural rowing stroke mimics rowing on a body of water. The smooth rowing stroke is also aided by adjustable hydraulic resistance. While you're rowing, the foot plates and straps will keep your feet secure. The multifunction monitor keeps track of various stats to keep you motivated as you row. The aluminum rowing beam and steel frame construction will keep you rowing for years to come. Even more, you'll want to row because the padded hand grips and wide molded seat were designed with your comfort in mind. The glider's foldable arms allow for compact storage, unlike other bulky, heavier rowers. Have fun and better your health with the Stamina BodyTrac glider.
Get a full-body cardiovascular workout with the new ProGear 750 rower with additional multi-exercise workout capability. Equipped to support 3 adjustable rowing positions, the rower can accommodate users ranging from 4 foot 9 inches to 6 foot 1 inches tall and up to 220 pounds. A large 1.8-inch thick cushioned seat and backrest provides comfortable support throughout your workout sessions, while foam-covered handlebars provide a comfortable grip. To keep users' feet securely in place, the rower features large foot pedals with anti-slip texturing and a 37-inch to 43-inch adjustable slide rail for smooth rowing. An LCD display shows real-time workout information, including scan, time, rep count, calories burned, and total rep count. Capable of 3 levels of hydraulic resistance independently adjusted on the left and right handlebars, the rower enables users to select the precise level of challenge that's right for them, including adjusting incline rowing to 3 angles, 0, 3, and 5 degrees. A 180-degree range of rowing motion activates muscles in the arm, shoulder, and chest, and the rower can be used in over 10 cardio and fat-burning exercises, including rows, curls, shoulder presses, chest presses, pull-downs, ab rowing, and more. When not immediately needed, the rower can be folded for convenient storage. So get your cardio exercise and strength training at the same time with the ProGear 750 rower with additional multi-exercise workout capability. ProGear. Stay fit, spend less.
Rowing is widely known to be one of the best all-around activities for cardiovascular fitness and strength. You'll build a strong back and rev up your metabolism for more efficient calorie and fat burning. The Stamina 1205 Precision Rower mimics the smooth motion of rowing on the water. The padded seat glides on a ball-bearing roller system. The rowing arms and foam grips keep hands stable and comfortable. The rower is compact, lightweight, and portable, yet it's well made for years of training. The multifunction fitness monitor keeps you motivated and on track to reach your fitness goals, showing speed, distance, time, stroke count, and calories burned during your workout. In scan mode, the monitor continually rotates from one function to the next, displaying each function for 6 seconds. The Stamina 1205 Precision Rower fits easily in your home workout area. The unique oar-like full range of motion rowing arms give you a truer feel of rowing on the water. The steel frame and aluminum center beam are designed to withstand years of use while giving you a stable and comfortable workout. The adjustable hydraulic cylinder resistance provides a solid, smooth base to your rowing workout. Larger, comfortable foot plates and adjustable nylon foot straps with hook and loop closures keep feet stable. Floor protectors safeguard your workout area and prevent skidding. Fold the oars for easy storage. Rowing is a total body workout that is efficient, effective, low impact, and utilizes all major muscle groups, including the back, legs, arms, abdominals, and glutes. The Stamina 1205 Precision Rower will help you get strong, fit, and lean.
Indoor rowing is an efficient, effective, total body workout that utilizes all major muscle groups, including the back, legs, arms, abdominals, and buttocks. The Stamina Inmotion rower is compact with a small footprint and makes a perfect addition to any home gym. The Inmotion rower has solid steel construction, a comfortable stitch seat, and foam hand grips. The oversized foot plates pivot to help maintain the natural rowing motion during your workout. The InTouch Fitness Monitor will keep you motivated to reach your fitness goals by tracking strokes per minute, count, time, calories burned, and will scan all features during your workout. The Stamina Inmotion rower has 5 levels of resistance to allow for all levels of fitness and intensity. Rowing on the Inmotion rower is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The continuous, non-impact movement of rowing can be broken down into 3 phases: the starting point or catch phase, followed by the dry phase, and lastly, the finish. In the catch phase, knees are bent with shins vertical and shoulders and arms reaching forward. This phase mimics the point where the oars are being placed in the water. The dry phase is initiated by the legs. As they extend, arms remain straight until the knees are mostly extended. Then the elbows bend, bringing the handle into the upper stomach. In the finish, the legs are fully extended, shoulders are back, elbows are bent, and the handle is against the upper stomach. For the recovery, the knees don't bend until after the hands pass over the knees as the arms and shoulders reach forward to begin catch phase again. When finished with your rowing workout, the Stamina Inmotion rower stands on end to store easily out of the way. The Stamina Inmotion rower. Get in motion.
Tone muscle, burn calories, and improve cardio health with the Stamina BodyTrac Glider Rowing Machine 1052. Take your workout further by following along with the 3 guided, on-demand online workouts included with purchase. Full motion rowing arms simulate the feel of rowing in actual water. Adjust the hydraulic cylinder to your desired intensity. Track time, stroke count, calories, and total stroke count during your workout. Place your device in the tray to follow a guided workout. Textured foot plates and adjustable straps provide stability. The molded padded seat promotes comfort and proper form. The aluminum rail ensures a smooth stroke. Padded hand grips keep you comfortable. Fold the rowing arms after you're done to save space. Experience the total body, real-world feel of rowing on actual water with the Stamina BodyTrac Glider Rowing Machine 1052.
The DT Pro is Stamina's most sophisticated indoor rowing machine ever. The smooth pull of magnetic resistance combined with the dynamic feel of air resistance creates a rowing stroke unlike any other rower on the market today. The high-strength nylon strap can handle the toughest workout while producing quiet rowing strokes. With a raised aluminum rowing beam and high-end rollers, the premium molded seat slides flawlessly during your workout. The DT Pro's large LCD monitor is packed with features to keep you motivated. With 12 programs, the backlit monitor is mounted at eye level so it is easy to see. The monitor displays all the data you need to stay on track. The wireless heart rate strap comes with the DT Pro and provides instant, accurate feedback through the monitor. The easy fold design and transport wheels make the DT Pro simple to store out of the way after your workout. DT Pro from Stamina Products, the new standard in rowing.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.